Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix only one earbud is working on your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. You have to start by put your headphones inside the charging case, then close it, and after that open it again. Now, if it doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold a connectional button at the bottom of your headphones for at least 15 seconds until you can see the LED light start flashing red. Here we go, we can see it. Now close the case. Click on information icon or settings icon if you have Android. And then forget this device, forget device. After that, open the case. It should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, press and hold on connectional button until you can see that LED start flashing white right here. Now we should see our device, and click on it to connect. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!